So my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I hate throwing out food because I didn't have time to use it. One of the best examples is celery. Buying a stock is much cheaper than just ribs, but after a few days, it starts getting limp. Here's an incredible trick to keep the stock for several weeks. So my friends, let's get cooking.
When we buy celery, it might come in a bag. So we remove it, and if there's an elastic band holding it together, we'll simply discard it or keep it for other uses. We'll also take some paper towels to remove any moisture from it. And no, we're not washing it. Here's a large piece of aluminum foil, and we'll place the stock on one end and roll it tightly. Easy so far, right? When it comes to the ends, we'll pinch it closed, but not too tightly so the ethylene gas can escape. Then transfer it to the fridge in a crisper until needed. Every time we take some out, we'll wrap it with the foil again. That's all. Now, sometimes we take too many, wash them, cut them, and end up with leftovers. So what we'll do is to place them in a container, fill it up with water, enough so all the pieces are covered, and transfer to the fridge. If they're not used after a couple days, we'll change the water before returning it to the fridge.
As you saw in this video, this simple step will help you keep your celery up for 4 weeks. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!